What if your WordPress could be managed automatically without you have to switching between multiple applications and doing everything manually? So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you top 5 WordPress automations which are going to save your time. And I have built in these automations by using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So as you know, WordPress is a powerful platform that helps you create and manage website. But as your website grows, so do the tasks. Whether it's managing the content, handling the user's information, or connecting between multiple platforms. So in this video, I will walk you through 5 powerful automations which are going to save up a lot of your time. So let's proceed towards my screen. So now let's start this journey of creating top 5 WordPress automations. So for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by tapping its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account first time over the Pabbly Connect, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and accessing Pabbly Connect. 100 of free tasks means you can test all these workflows for freely inside Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you also want to automate your business by using Pabbly Connect, then I have bought this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out these amazing automations, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans of Pabbly. Now let's move on towards our first automation that we are going to build today, is auto generate and publish WordPress posts using AI. So right here I have integrated all these applications, that is Google Sheet, OpenAI and WordPress. So now as soon as I will add the title and its description in the Google Sheet, an automated content will be generated by my OpenAI, and that content will be added to the WordPress as a new post. So now this automation is going to provide you are ready to post content, and that will be automatically added in the WordPress. And this automation is game changer for anyone who want to save time and scale content creation. It is especially useful for bloggers who post regularly, digital marketers handling multiple clients, agencies managing content at scale, and business owner who want to keep their website active without investing hours daily. So you can use this automation for blogs, daily posting contents and new updates. So instead of spending hours manually writing the post content, you can use this amazing automation where AI is going to handle your post content. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. So for that, let's move on towards my Google Sheet named as WordPress post, where I have provided the content theme. And as I will add the description, an automated content will be generated for my WordPress post, and that will be automatically added in my WordPress account as a new post. So here I'm going to add my description, and now as I have added my description, an automated content must be generated, and that will be added as a post in my WordPress account. So now let's move on towards my WordPress account to check it. So here I'm landed to my WordPress account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this post having the same title, that is content creation tips, and here you can check out that I'm getting this post. So now you can also create this automation. So Pabbly Connect basically works on 2 principles, that is trigger and action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I have selected my trigger app as Google Sheet. So now as soon as I will receive a new title or the description, which you can check in the Google Sheet response, that I'm getting the same description and content theme which I have recently added, I'm going to generate an automated content using OpenAI. So here you can see that I have provided this prompt, and I have mapped both these content theme and description, on the basis of which it is going to generate the post content. And here I have mapped both the title and the descriptions for making these fields dynamic, so that it can be replaced as soon as a new entry will be received received in the Google Sheet. And at last I have used my next action app, that is WordPress, where I have mapped my post title and the content generated by my OpenAI, and here I am receiving this positive response. So now you are done with the first automation of WordPress. Now let's move on towards our second automation, that is generate WordPress articles from YouTube content with AI. Means as soon as I will add a new YouTube video in my YouTube channel, that will be automatically fetched and a post content will be generated on the title of my YouTube video, and that will be added in my WordPress account. So on my YouTube channel, I have recently uploaded a video having the title Make Your Life a Story Worth Telling. And as I have captured the response, I have used my action app as OpenAI, where I have provided this prompt, and based on this title, my OpenAI is generating the content for my WordPress post. So this automation is going to be incredibly useful for the content creators, bloggers, educators or digital marketers who want to repurpose video content into written format. So instead of creating content from scratch, you can turn your existing YouTube videos into SEO friendly articles and reach a wider audience. And it's perfect for increasing website traffic and making your content accessible to users who prefer reading over watching videos. So you can use this automation for tutorials, educational content, product reviews, or any informational videos. So now let's move on towards our next automation, that is automate post WordPress blogs in social media sites. So now here I have selected my trigger application as WordPress. So now as soon as I will add a new post over my WordPress, that will be automatically added to my Instagram, and afterwards it will be added to my Facebook page too. And not only these particular applications, you can add this WordPress post to many more social media platforms such as Twitter as well. So now let me show you how this automation is going to work in real time. So for that, let's move on towards my WordPress account, where I'm going to create a new post. So for that, we just have to click over this add post, and here I'm going to create a new post, and afterwards I will show you as soon as I will make a new post over my WordPress, that will be automatically added in my Instagram and Facebook too. So now let's create it. So here I have added the title of my post as How AI Automation is Transforming Small Businesses in 2026, and here I have provided the post content. Now I'm going to add an image. So now let's say I'm going to add this particular image. So I'm going to just select it, and afterwards I'm going to click over this set featured image. And here you can see that my image has been successfully inserted to my post. Now let's publish it by simply selecting this publish button. And here you can see that my post has been successfully published. Now let me show you the post. And here you can see this is the post. Now let's move on towards my Instagram account to check whether I'm receiving this post over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Instagram account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this image having the same title for which I have created my WordPress post. And now let's move on towards my Facebook account to check whether a new post is created over there too or not. So here I'm landed to my Facebook account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this post which says new blog, How AI Automation is Transforming Small Businesses in 2026, and here we are getting the full blog link. So now you have seen, by using this automation, as soon as I've made a new post over my WordPress, that post is automatically added to Instagram and Facebook too. Now let's proceed towards our next automation, that is WordPress to Pinterest automations. So here as soon as I will add a new WordPress post, that will be automatically added to my Pinterest as a new pin. So here I have selected my trigger app as WordPress, and here I have selected my app event as new post published. And after that, I have added this webhook URL to my WordPress account for building the connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect. And as I have clicked over the save and send test request, I have received this response, and by using this response, I have created a pin over my Pinterest account. So here you can see that I have selected my board, and here I have mapped the post title too. And here I am receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a Pinterest pin is created. So now you have done with our fourth automation. And now let's proceed towards our last automation, that is WordPress user automation plus WhatsApp alert. So here, by using this Google form, I'm going to get my WordPress user, and afterwards I'm going to add it to my WordPress account as a new user, and at last I'm going to send a WhatsApp message to them. So here, by using Google Forms, I have received the user's data having the first name demo, last name test, and here you can check out the password, phone number, and here you can see the email address of my lead, and here you can check out its username, that is demo testing. And by using this response, I'm generating a user on my WordPress account. So for that, I have used my first action app as WordPress, where I have created this user, and as I have clicked over the save and send test request, this test data is sent to the WordPress and this user is created. So here you can see in my WordPress account, I'm on this users page, where you can see I'm successfully receiving this user having the same username which I have recently shown you in my Google form response. And at last, I have used my next action app, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I have entered my mobile number so that I can show you the response, but you can map this field of the mobile number, and here I have entered the message which I am going to send to my users. So here, as I have selected the save and send test request, I'm receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now you are done with the top 5 WordPress automations, which is going to be very beneficial for your business. So these were the powerful WordPress automations which you can create using Pabbly Connect, and I have provided the link of each workflows in the description, so make sure to check it out. And if you want to learn the detailed process, then you can check the videos which are given for each automations. So in this video, we have explored how you can automatically share your WordPress blog post on social media, generate complete blog articles from YouTube content using AI, and even auto-generate and publish WordPress posts, and many more without any manual efforts, and we haven't required any coding skills too. So these automations are not just time savings, they help you stay consistent too and improve your content reach and scale your workflow effortlessly. So instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, you can now focus more on creating valuable content and growing your audience. So if you found this video helpful, then hit like and subscribe to the channel for more such automation tutorials. And if you want to try these automations yourself, then go ahead and start building your workflows with Pabbly Connect, as Pabbly Connect offers you 100 free tasks. And make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.